Are you ready to turn your passion into a profit? Imagine earning money while you sleep simply by sharing products that you love with Amazon affiliates. In this video, we're going to get right to it, show you how to make an Amazon affiliates account. So let's go. So we are here. All you have to do is type in amazonaffiliates.com and it should prompt a link that will get you right to the Amazon Associates page. Right here, when you're on the Amazon Associates page, they're going to tell you at the beginning, recommend products, earn commission. Simple. Guys, this is easy money, easy money. You want to make money online? Here we go right here. Amazon Associates, Amazon Affiliate Marketing Program. I know you guys want to understand that holiday season is coming up. Everybody's going to be buying presents and all types of products, so you might as well get in with Amazon Associates. Welcome to one of the largest affiliate programs in the world. Amazon Associates program helps content creators, publishers, bloggers monetize their traffic with millions of products and programs available on Amazon. Guys, I buy from Amazon all the time. I'm sure you guys buy from Amazon all the time. You guys might as well sign up, recommend, and earn. Join tens and thousands of creators, publishers, and bloggers who are earning. So we're going to definitely show you the back end of Amazon affiliates. So they frequently asked questions. How does the associate program work? You can share products and available programs with Amazon to your audience and through customized linkings and tools. On qualified purchases, customers like signing up for free trial programs. And I have a lot of different affiliate programs. I do too, and they should be down in the comment section down below. But let me know if you guys have any affiliate programs that you know about that I might not know about, and we can just share that down below in the comments as well. How do I qualify for this program? Bloggers, publishers, and country creators with qualifying website or mobile app can participate in this program. So guys, you can make a website for $3. You can make a website for $5. I think I pay $5 a month or $10 a month for a website on GoDaddy.com. That's simple to do, and I'll make a video on how to do that as well. But as long as you got a qualifying website or a mobile app, which I don't have a mobile app, I have a website, www.demarcusduhart.com. And if you are influenced with established social media following, guys, you can do this. This is easy. So like I said, let's log in. Whatever country you're in, I'm in the United States, so that's something that I've already picked. I'll sign in. Boom. And as you can see, they want my PIN, and I'll type that in. Boom, 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 boom. They're gonna send me a one-time code to my phone, and this is real time, guys. So yeah, right there, I'm logged in. Boom, right there. So as I'm logged into my back office, Amazon Associates, make sure you submit your tax information. I'm going to do that. Look, earn more than 3 times more on Prime signups. Crazy. I have none right here. I will have some, but we're going to go to the program help to really see what's going on about let's look at the commissions and payouts. So what items qualify for commission, income, and how are commissions calculated? Boom, let's see what they're talking about. Associates earn commission income when a visitor follows links to their sites to Amazon to make a purchase and the item is dispatched. These links can be individual products, pages, search results, the Amazon homepage, or any other page at Amazon.com. Associates can also place search boxes on their sites. Please note that commission income calculates the sale price, not the list price. For each qualifying item, you earn commission with according to the payment plans and followings. Guys, this is easy money to make online, guys. Easy money to make online. So this is the back office. I want you guys to make an Amazon account and let me know down in the comments if you got one or if you've been already doing this. But I believe that this is one of the most Best ways to make money online is through affiliate marketing. Right now I'm showing the back end of Amazon Associates, where you can easily make a website, or you can have a social media follower, and you got a couple followers on social media, and you just make a affiliate marketing post where you can be making money online easy, guys. This is easy money. I don't want you guys to sleep on this at all, because I'm going to keep sharing this, and this is a part of my Make Money Online series. We're going to definitely keep the investing going. I have the investing going right there in the link above, as you guys can see. I'm gonna just say, yeah, it's gonna be right there in the link above, right there, man. So we're gonna do that. We're also not only have the Make Money Online series, we're gonna have the investing series as well. I know you guys are like that, and I know you guys like that Make Money Online. So this is something that I want to keep bringing to you guys. I don't want you to fall behind. I want to keep showing you guys how to make this money and keep growing, man. Keep investing, keep living your life, keep having fun, guys. I thank you guys for always tuning in and always showing up for me, man. If you guys want to learn how to make money online by investing, I want you guys to click the link above right here, or follow the link to the next video. And I see you guys on the next one. Peace.